Okay guys, I just wanted to start by explaining that we will be using a new email system, Outlook, for the office. So I wanted to walk you guys through some things with that, but first, before we walk through anything with our Outlook email, I want to make sure that automatic replies are on for your account, as that is important for professionalism to make sure that your customers and your clients know that you will get back to them quickly. So on your file page, I can show you here. If you're on your main email, you can go over to File, and it'll say Automatic Replies. Out of Office, you're going to want to send automatic replies inside and outside of your organization. Make sure that's on too. And then you can write your message and customize that as you please. A perfect example, not a great one, but just to be quick, would be, "Hello, I am out of the office and will respond to you shortly. Thank you." Something very simple like that. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. That's totally up to you. Okay, so now that we got done with that, we can start. I'm going to be creating an email to let all of you know about this new system. So let's start with the subject. We can say, FYI, new email system. And that can be to Outlook project at nic.edu. You can also CC that to our boss, Mickey Mouse, 2 at nic.edu. Okay, so now that we have that organization, I can go into the text. I'm just going to show you a few things. Hello all. We will now be using Outlook as our email system. I'm just keeping it short more just so I can demonstrate these things. Obviously, for a bigger message, we would be making this more professional, but a few things I wanted to run over with you guys so that you knew how to do this. First is text and format for that. We will be using Times New Roman, first of all. You can just type that right in. Second, we'll be using 12-point font always. And then third, just make sure that your font color is black. Now there's a few things else I want to go over with you. Signature. To add a signature to your email, it's pretty easy. So you're going to go up into Insert. And right here, you're going to go down to Signatures. Luckily, Outlook is a pretty easy system to navigate. And I don't have any signatures in here right now, so I'm going to go down to New. I'm going to say Paralegal. Alright, so I put in my name and my title, and that's something that you guys can do too. Again, you can customize this to what you feel comfortable for your role in the company. And then another thing I want to show you guys is images. So to insert an image, again, you'd go up to Insert, and we'd be over stock images are pretty easy ones to work with, and this just kind of gives your email some flair, makes them aesthetically pleasing, and you can put something simple in like professional working in a business, or professional working, something that's coming up. Sometimes I find keeping it shorter is better. And we see professional working, these are kind of some easy images that you can throw in. Let's see if it works. There we go. And from there you can resize. I find just an easy way to do that is just pull the picture down and it'll resize it. Another way to do this would be go in and push this down to say 1, 1.5. It'll usually add it. And then that's above my signature line, and so after I finished my email, I would go down, go back up to insert and signature, and it should put my signature in. I don't know why it won't. Sorry, my computer is very slow. Let's see if it works now. So I can go down right to where my saved signature and put it in, and it'll pop right up. And then you can send your message. And if somebody replies, it'll give you an automatic reply. And that's it for today. Thank you.